Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to review Electric BBQ maker device. So this particular product I am using more than a year. So this is really very useful, and especially if you would like to make tandoori or a BBQ at your home. So this product will comes with a 6 heating adjustment option, and the device will automatically power off once it reaches the maximum heating level. Along with this product, you will get SS steel grill and one heating coil. So this heating coil capacity is 2000 watts, and we will talk more about how much voltage will it consume if we use continuously for an hour. And you will get one plate, and finally you will get one non-stick base. Okay, and using this plate, you can make pizza, biscuit, and few other product which is very small to bake, and you have to keep, and you will have a two option to keep this heating coil. One is the default hole where it will be available on the non-stick base. You can keep like this, and also you can keep on top of the non-stick base. Keeping the heating coil on top of the non-stick base only applicable when you are baking something on the plate, like biscuit, pizza, or something. The reason why we have to keep on top of the non-stick base, it will make some distance between the plate and heating coil, so that your product will not burn because of the overheat. And the next is SS grill. So this is also comes with a two option. One is the default hole which is available on the non-stick base. So by keeping the grill like this, you will have very less space. And I will not recommend this option, because when you make tandoori, it will easily, the chicken or whatever will easily touch to the heating coil. The next option is this. You see like how much space we are having between the heating coil and grill. Okay, let me power on and show you how you have to use this product. It is mandatory that you have to connect it on the 16 amp socket, because this will consume more electricity. So if you connect on the normal socket, this will damage your wire. And once you have powered on the switch, uh, set the heating option to 5, and wait for 2-3 minutes, and don't keep anything on the grill, because at the first time when you are powering on this device, this will also produce some smoke. So just give 5 minutes of time, and you can see, right, like how it become very reddish. So it means that the coil has been heated and reached it to the maximum heating level. And don't touch the heating coil, because by keeping your hand like this itself, you will feel too much of heat. And make sure you are power off the device and unplug the unplug from the socket. Okay, so let us calculate the unit if you are continuously using this product for an hour. So as I mentioned before, this particular product will comes with the 2000 watts heating coil, and if you are going to use this product for an hour, so let us multiply the heating coil watts with hour. So let's say like 2000 watts into 1 hour, we will get 2000 watts per hour. So 1000 watts equal to 1 kilowatts. So 1 kilowatts also considered as 1 unit. So it means 2000 watts per hour, and you will get 2 kilowatts and also 2 unit. So you will get the bill for 2 units. In Tamil Nadu you will get charged 6 rupees per unit. So approximately 12 rupees you will get charged for 1 hour of usage. I'm sure that you can bake 1 kg of chicken within an hour. So we came to an end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you on next video with interesting content. See you all.
Please do like, share the videos and subscribe our channel for more videos.